let's now discuss insecure content providers. An insecure content provider exposes sensitive data to other apps without proper access controls. Content providers are a fundamental part of the Android's architecture, allowing different apps to share data from databases. However, if an app's content provider is not secure, it can lead to a data leakage or unauthorized access to sensitive information. For example, an app may expose to content provider to other apps without adequately restricting access to sensitive information such as users' location or contacts. This could allow other apps to access this data without the user's knowledge or consent. Next we'll discuss some mitigations. To prevent insecure content providers in Android, app developers should always follow best practices for securing content providers. This includes using permissions to control access to sensitive data and properly sanitizing input to prevent SQL injection attacks. Additionally, developers should test the apps for security vulnerabilities and regularly update them to address any security issues discovered. Android also provides various security features such as app sandboxing and permission controls that developers can use to enhance the security of their apps.